Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can easily set up Keycloak using Docker. So let's get started. All you need to do is just have Docker running. Then you will have to go to this particular website which is from Keycloak itself. Then you just need to copy this particular command over here. Open your terminal and just paste this particular command. It will install Docker for you like locally, like download as well as install it, so you don't have to worry about anything. Now let's just wait for this to finish. Once this is done, I'll come back and show you the next step. The next step is just we need to go to localhost colon 8080 because that's the port we are running on. Also the username and password, if you want you can change it as well, but for now I have just kept it username as admin, password as admin as well. Okay, so yeah, let's just wait for this to finish. All right, so as you can see, I have Docker up and running. Sorry, Keycloak up and running. All now I need to do is just go to localhost colon 8080 and it will automatically add this all this stuff for me. And like I said, username and password is admin. So you can just click on sign in, and yeah, you have Keycloak setup. So you can perform whatever operations you feel like. So yeah, that's how easy it is. Thank you for watching. Bye.